Welcome to Tyco Friday. Doing a trick truck here. On a Tyco Pro 1. Yes. They didn't call him a Pro 1, they just call him Tyco Pro. And yeah. Pretty cool truck. It's got some bent pipes on it, and it won't stay. So yeah. We'll bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yeah, silver on the roof. It's kind of got red on the side, but it's coming up, getting a little more silver on it as it gets to the top. This is a common one. The less common one is all red. It's got a green parachute on the back, which is a common color for the parachute, green. And yellow is second most common color. And like I said, one of these pipes, this pipe, it can bend it back like that, and it will not stay. And now it won't lay down. But yeah, pretty cool truck. I doubt if it'll go on a dyno. It may go on here. No, it's not going on a dyno. I may be able to mess with the pickup shoes and bring them out a tad bit, which helps. It actually runs better that way. Looks like I need to put some new, yeah. Some new brushes on here. It almost has a hole worn in that side right there. Yeah, it doesn't even run. Oh, there it goes. Might have to do some work on this bad boy. We just may have to do some work on it. I can see where it's not. Motor spins nice. I'm going to clean those up a little bit there. Hold the center down. Well, still nothing. Well, let's grab a pair of HP2 pickup shoes. And we'll put these bad boys on a dyno, and we'll see how this engine motor runs now. Barely. I had this on low. Yeah, well, no wonder. Well, motor goes with this little, that little divot up. Only on these Tyco Pro and Pro 2s. They go down on Curve Hugger HP2s, and HP3 doesn't have them. One of these days I can get both of them in there going the same way. There we go. There we go. Okay. Put a little Earl on the pinion and crown gear. Roll up the axle. Put a tad bit on the front armature. There we go. Yeah. Wow, that runs better than that curve hugger we just had on Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah. So, let's put a little Novus on this body here. So yeah, let's clean everything else up here with the Q-tip. Pretty dang dirty already. Wow. Looks like this car was burning rubber. You gotta clean your cars every once in a while, and this is when I clean them, when I pull them out and do a video on them. I usually make you guys sit here and watch it on a dyno, but I don't think it's gonna go by itself on a dyno too well, not unless you're holding the front end down. Look how far back this guide pin is. So that's it goes. Got a body on her, and it runs well. Runs real well. Yeah, we'll take 265. Alright, let's take this bad boy over to the track and we'll take her for a ride. Alright. It's ass happy. seems to be the trouble. You are done for the day. Can't stand listening to that damn car go around. It just screws with my head. I cannot stand listening to this asshole car just running around constantly. That's why I don't. That's why it doesn't run while I'm doing my video. And I think I'm pretty much done with the old ghost car. This truck, I'm pretty sure came factory in a drag race set. I'm almost positive. And I don't think it's really designed to go around a track like this here. These brushes, as anyone who has these cars knows, you got to get the brushes just right. You really do, or it won't run. Yeah, like that there doesn't run. Over there came apart. Yeah. There you have it, trick truck. It's a trick, all right. There you have it. Tyco's trick truck. I didn't show that to you in the book. I think I'll show it to you right now. I'll bring you guys around. We'll look it up in the book. There she is right there. Number 21. 21. Very bottom. Trick truck. And we know it's a trick truck. 75, they'd run a lot better with a Tyco Pro on it. Tyco Pro, 71 to 73, Tyco Pro, 8832 is the part number. Then the 74, we all know they changed to 86. It's a 3 in availability. Silver, red, black, red, silver, red, black. Yeah, no shit. Red, silver, red, black. Silver, red, black, red, silver, black. Yeah, no. Common one has red on side. It fades to silver on roof. That's the one that I have. Red, silver, black. Okay. The other one comes silver, red, black. I guess. Never seen one. I don't know if you guys have seen one or not. But, yeah, this is red. It fades to silver on the roof. Yes, sir. There she is. Hope you guys like that truck. It ran really good the last time. I just need to take those damn high banks off. It's real nice when you got a 440 times 2 and you got a Tyco Pro. It sucks. It's shit. So I need to do all my Tyco S's and my Tyco Pros and Pro 2s all at one time. You know what I mean? I'll set up a different track and that's all I'll do. And you guys don't like that? The hell with you. Simple as that. But I'll do that probably this winter sometime. And yeah, I won't do them all at the same day. I will do them all consecutively. So yeah, appreciate you guys coming in. If you guys ain't subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's free. I need 6 more for 300. And anybody else who starts saying that, oh, I need 5 more, I need 4 more, I only need like 7 more, you guys jump right in there and you guys get them up there. And you guys ain't doing that for me, so maybe I'm an asshole. You guys don't like me. I don't know. But yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in, though. If you're watching this, thank you very much. I appreciate that. And hit the bell. Get notified Monday and Tuesday, whatever. Tuesday, Fridays. Yeah. You guys know what it is. You don't have to hit the bell. Don't hit the bell then. I don't care. Appreciate it, though. And tonight, hopefully, we'll be building a pit kit. Don't know. I don't have one now. I got one coming in the mail from a cool dude. And, yeah. I drive over to the hobby shop. I might go to the Hobby Lobby. I'm telling you right now, the website says they don't sell them. I don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they got a whole bunch of them. I don't know. But I'll find out. Appreciate you guys coming in. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.